Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Today, we're diving into the incredible world of human memory. From how it works to the surprising ways it can be influenced, we'll explore 10 fascinating facts that will change the way you think about remembering. So, let's unlock the mysteries of our minds and discover just how amazing memory truly is. 1. Memory is not like a recording. Our memory is not a perfect playback of events. It is reconstructive, meaning we piece together memories, which can lead to distortions or inaccuracies. 2. There are different types of memory. Human memory is categorized into sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Each type plays a different role in how we process and store information. 3. Short-term memory is limited. The average person can hold about 7 items in their short-term memory at once. This is known as the 7 plus or minus 2 rule. 4. Long-term memory can last a lifetime. While short-term memory fades quickly, long-term memory can last for decades, with some memories staying intact throughout life. 5. Emotions affect memory. Emotional events are often remembered more vividly than neutral ones. The amygdala, which processes emotions, works closely with the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. 6. Sleep helps memory consolidation. Sleep plays a crucial role in strengthening memories. During deep sleep, the brain processes and consolidates information learned throughout the day. 7. Memory can be influenced by suggestion. Our memories can be altered by external influences, such as misleading information or suggestions, a phenomenon known as false memories. 8. Memory is a dynamic process. Memory is not static, it can change over time. The brain continually updates and reorganizes stored information based on new experiences. 9. The hippocampus is key to memory formation. This part of the brain is essential for converting short-term memories into long-term ones and for spatial memory, which helps us navigate the world. 10. Memory can improve with practice. Techniques like repetition, association, and visualization can help enhance memory retention. Memory athletes use these strategies to achieve remarkable feats of recall. And there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about human memory that reveal its complexity and wonder. From its emotional connections to the way it evolves over time, memory truly is one of the most extraordinary aspects of being human. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.